In a previous video, we showed you how to make this crossbow that can shoot arrows with quite a bit of power, but it's not really ideal for hitting people with. So in today's video, we are going to be seeing if we can make some nice ammo that we can hit people with. Welcome back to the Gripsion. If it's your first time here, my name is Alex, and we are going to be taking a couple simple items and seeing if we can make some nice soft ammo. So we have some foam earplugs and some coffee stir sticks. These are nice, squishy, soft earplugs, and they don't hurt to get hit by. So I think we are going to attach a stick somehow to it, and then it will be really soft ammo that we can shoot at people. So just like in the video on how to make this, we are going to measure how long our arrow is going to be. So we are going to mark it about there. Now I'll just put a line across. And now we just need to put a little notch in the end so then we can hold on to it while a rubber band goes through the slot. So now you could just shoot this like this, but it's quite hard and it could do some damage. So this is only to be used with targets right now, and we are going to be seeing if we can put a foam earplug on so then we can shoot it at people. So I'm just going to measure how long these are right now compared to an arrow. So if it goes something like that, I might just cut the earplug a little bit just because this is a tiny bit too long. Now it's just going to take half a minute or so just to open back up. Now that we have our foam earplug cut to length, now we are going to put a little slit in it so then we can slide our stick in. I'm not going to go very deep just because I don't want to cut all the way through to the other end. So we have a slit cut in here, and now I'm just going to test fit it. The only problem is right when it hits something, it's just going to fall off. So I think how we are going to fix that is just going to put some hot glue in there. Now what you've just made is a soft, squishy arrow that can hit people without hurting them. And after we have our ammo made, then we are going to go test it in the field with some friends. Wow, that was a ton of fun. Who had fun? Me! Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked this project, make sure to click up there to watch some more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right up there, and I'll talk to you in our next video.